How to maintain wood exterior doors. Hello friends, wood exterior doors can boost the beauty of your home, making your entryway warm and inviting. Solid wood is also unlikely to dent, and it resists wear and tear better than most other entryway materials. Fortunately, keeping wooden doors at their best doesn't take much effort. Here's what you need to know about exterior wood door maintenance. Cleaning wood exterior doors. Exterior wood doors can be cleaned once a week or so, but they may not need such frequent care. In any case, cleaning takes almost no time at all. Simply wipe the surface with a solution of mild dish soap and warm water, using a soft, lint-free cloth. If your entryway glass panes, make them clean with a microfiber cloth and a mixture of vinegar and water. Polishing wood exterior doors. To maintain the beauty of your exterior wood doors, you may want to polish them periodically. You'll know it's time if the surface starts looking a little dull. At that point, grab a clean, soft rag and apply a light coat of a good quality furniture polish or wax, one that's safe for use on natural wood surfaces. Restoring wood exterior doors. Though wood doors possess great strength and durability, they aren't immune to damage. Over time, the finish will fade or, if painted, chips and cracking in the top coat may appear. To restore the appearance of your entryway, you can apply a new protective coating. First, lightly sand the entire surface and wipe it down with a rag dampened with mineral spirits. Then, simply apply 2 or more coats of a fade-resistant finish or exterior paint with ultraviolet protection. Maintaining exterior door hardware. Exterior door hinges may need to be cleaned once a year at most, but high-quality hardware should operate well and look great for quite some time. As for the handles, aim to clean them with a disinfectant wipe or spray every day. That way, anyone using the knobs won't get a handful of harmful germs and bacteria. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.